Smart metering allows us to understand customer consumption in a lot more detail than we currently do. So at the moment we kind of capture consumption on a quarterly basis, but this allows us to capture it on an hourly basis, so we can understand things like leakage in more detail. So in the UK in particular, they're trialling all sorts of different types. We thought we'd give this a try after we've had 2 fairly unsuccessful trials so far. So with this one, we did some research and we reached out to SUEZ. They operate these meters in France in particular. They've got hundreds of thousands of them and they connect really, really well. So we thought, let's give it a try. Let's talk to SUEZ, come and do a small trial, which we've now upscaled for this particular trial. We're going to put 1,000 meters in and see what results we get. So the results so far look really promising. Even before we finished the rollout, we're up above 90% connectivity, which is really promising. And SUEZ themselves, they're saying that they can get it up to sort of way above 95, potentially up as high as 99, which will be amazing for us. It'll give us really good data. The meters aren't causing us any issues. They're a fairly simple looking mechanical meter with the electronics on top that transmit the data. It looks really good. The platform's easy to use. You can see consumption trends. We're even picking up on some leaks. So we managed to proactively contact customers to say that you might have a leak. It looks really positive so far.